Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a company that wants to be on the cutting edge of crypto, but will their AI chatbot actually make people money or just add another layer of hype? Let's find out. This company, C2 Blockchain, just released a report and we're going to break it down to see what's really going on. Is this a game changer in the crypto world or just another flash in the pan? Stick around to find out. Before we jump in, if you're all about getting the real story behind corporate filings, make sure to subscribe. We've also got a Discord community linked below where you can chat with other investors. Come join us. Alright, let's get into it. This is a Form 8K, which is basically a quick update a company gives to its investors about important events. Think of it as a corporate breaking news bulletin. The date on this report is May 5, 2025. The company we're looking at is called C2 Blockchain Inc. They're based in Miami, Florida. One of the main things in this report is a press release that C2 Blockchain put out. Now, something important to note is that the company is saying that the information in the press release is not necessarily super important and you shouldn't rely on it too much for making investment decisions. Also, C2 Blockchain wants everyone to understand that a lot of what they're saying about the future might not actually happen. These are called forward-looking statements and they're basically guesses about what the company thinks will happen. They use words like expect, believe, and potential, but they're not promises. The company is warning us that lots of things could change and mess up their plans. Things like people not wanting their services, new products coming out, or even just the company not having enough money to do what they want. They even mentioned that they're not promising to update these guesses even if things change, so take everything with a grain of salt. Here's the big news from the press release. They're launching a beta version, which is like a test version of an AI-powered crypto chatbot. It's supposed to help people with trading by using blockchain data, machine learning, and real-time market info. They're also rolling out a subscription plan where people pay to use the chatbot. It sounds like they want to get this thing fully launched by the end of the second quarter of 2025, meaning around June. The exhibit shows the actual press release issued by the company on May 5, 2025 TOs. Now, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. So what's our take on all of this? Well, C2 Blockchain is trying to jump on the AI and crypto craze, which could be smart. Everyone is talking about AI. And crypto is still a hot topic, even with all the ups and downs. If they can actually deliver a helpful chatbot that makes people money, they might be onto something. However, there are a lot of risks. The crypto market is super volatile, meaning it can change really quickly. Also, there are already a ton of companies trying to do something similar with AI and crypto. C2 Blockchain needs to stand out to succeed. One thing that's a bit concerning is the company's warning about forward-looking statements. It's good that they're being upfront, but it also shows that they're not super confident about the future. Overall, C2 Blockchain is an interesting company with a lot of potential, but also a lot of risks. It's definitely not a sure thing. Alright, that's our breakdown of C2 Blockchain's latest filing. What's your take on their AI chatbot and their plans for the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. And don't forget to check out our Discord community in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.